Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now this week Kira had recommended I do something with eggplant. Now I can make an episode every day of the week doing eggplant, and that's kind of what I did. So yesterday's episode was on baba ganoush or eggplant caviar. You should go check that one out, it was a good one. But today we're going to do it up kind of fancy and make a dessert with sweet eggplant roulades with a saffron cranberry sauce. So let's do this. Come on. Hey, welcome to Eggplant Week. Now this week is going to be dedicated strictly to eggplant. So I'm going to show you how to make a couple of really easy dishes. But today I kind of wanted to focus on making something that's kind of upscale, kind of not complicated, but at the same time kind of like has that wow factor. Okay, so this week I showed you guys a few recipes that are rather on the savory side. But today I kind of wanted to focus on dessert. So what I did was we're going to make a sweet eggplant roulade. We're going to stuff it with kind of a cream cheese filling, and then we're actually going to roll it up and then place it in a cranberry saffron sauce. Now I know this sounds super complicated, the terms roulade, but roulade really is nothing more than a roll up. So if you think about it, like if you've ever had a pumpkin log, that's technically a roulade. Okay, so our to-do list for this dish is fourfold. What we have to do is we have to slice and cook our eggplant. We got to make our cream cheese filling. We got to make the saffron cranberry puree. And then we have to actually roll them up and plate them. So it's actually pretty simple. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this one. And yeah, let's just get to it, baby. Woo! And that just kind of shows off a little bit of the versatility of eggplant. See, it doesn't always have to be about the savory, people. You can do sweet too. Now, keep in mind that there's a couple of things with eggplant that you have to understand. And one, that's eggplant is kind of bitter naturally, so you kind of have to do things that are going to get that bitterness rather out of the way. I like to salt the eggplant and just leave them in a bowl, and that actually draws out all that bitterness. Cooking will draw it out. Like in this case, we just added a lot of sweet stuff to kind of counterbalance it. So, just kind of keep that in mind when you're using eggplant because it's kind of important. Alright, well, that's live time for this week. Stop by later this week where we're going to be making ratatouille. More specifically, confit bialdi. Now, this ratatouille is actually based on a movie which I can't think of the name of right now, but I'm sure it'll come to me. Anywho, see you then.